Officer, it's a closing time for the pub, but one person is not leaving. Sorry, officer. I wanna leave, but there is a compulsion for me to stay here. You are drunk. How would you go home now? Did your girlfriend break up with you? No. If so, I need to come to the pub every day. Whatever. Now you're out of control. How do you drive? Why are you drinking too much? That makes sense to me. But my answer may not make sense to you. It doesn't make sense. I mean, I lost the bottle lid. In my car, the cup holder is broken. So I have the compulsion to finish off. I lost the bottle lid. In my car, the cup holder is broken. So I have the compulsion to finish off.